Hey, fellow RC addicts. My name's Jeff. I've been doing these Trx4m builds lately. Really kind of liking it. All Enduro parts. This one here is the IR40. Has a frame, skid. It's a carbon fiber chassis. Got hobby sole, wheels and tires, all brass. The Enduro high clearance links. I don't know if you can see it, portal axles, Enduro body, flip top. Got the Enduro 180 48 tooth reversed rotation motor, transmission, carbon fiber battery mount. Still waiting on a few parts to get this one going. That's the latest one I've been doing. Kind of cool. My friend Randy Clithrow is building these, he's 3D printing canoes, and I had him print me 3 of them, thinking, well, maybe they'd be big enough for 10th scale, but actually they look way more scale on an 18th scale. This is a stock Trx4m with the front and rear bumper mount from Enduro, the portal hub covers or diff covers. What else I got on this? It's all stock Trx4m electronics from Traxxas. Nice little rig, works well. Just upgrading a little bit at a time on that one. Then this is a Trx4m. This is what it started as. Stock frame, all Enduro parts, Enduro tires, wheels. Again, flip top. It's got the Fat Viper Outrunner brushless motor, Enduro shock towers, shocks. Also, I don't know if you can see in there or not. Let's see. The 3D printed interior by my friend Randy Clithrow at Extreme RC Hobbies in Redmond, Oregon. Not sponsored, wish I was. Did a little cover for the back to cover up the electronics so they're not seen. Still got a little bit of, sanding and such to do. But just wanted to get on here and say, hey, gonna try to get some more content out to you guys. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.